Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to easily modify your language settings on Netflix. First, log into the account you want to adjust and select your specific profile. I am sticking with my current profile for this walkthrough. Head over to the Account menu, then scroll down to Find and click on Edit Settings. Next, navigate to the Preferences section where you will see the Languages option. Click there to open the settings. While you can manage audio and subtitles here, we are focusing on the interface. Look for Display Language and click the drop-down menu. For this tutorial, I will select Check. Once selected, scroll to the bottom and press Save. As you can see, the entire interface has now changed. To revert these settings, just click your profile icon again, go back into the language settings, select English from the list, and hit Save one more time. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. I will see you in the next tutorial.